Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your power bank correctly and how to fix power bank not charging your phone or mobile or smartphone. So viewers, what you have to do is watch the video till the end. So let's get started. Power off. So viewers, you can see that these are my two power banks. So I will first of all show you how to use the power bank properly, and then I will show you how to fix a power bank which is not charging your phone or mobile or smartphone. So this is the power bank which I am going to use to charge my smartphone. So viewers, you can see that this is my smartphone. So I will charge it using this power bank. So you can see the charging of this smartphone is right now 32%. So in order to first check that will it charge your smartphone or not, you have to press the power button. Okay, so this is the power button of my this power bank. So I will press it. You can see it's showing me that its charge is full because all the lights are shown. These are 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So in order to charge your smartphone with this, first you need a data cable. So I will simply connect this to this power bank port. So now I will charge my smartphone. So viewers, you can see that as I have connected the smartphone with my this power bank, you can see that right now it's not charging it. Yes. So in order to connect it properly, you have to see all the things. So as you know that its charge is full, so in order to connect it properly, what you have to do is take out the cover, and you should know that there is no distance between them in the port side. So if I connect it, so viewers, you can see that I have connected it properly with my mobile and this power bank, but it's still not charging. So in order to fix this, what you have to do is simply press the power button again. So you can see now it has begun charging. So you can see now the smartphone is charging. It was due to the off of this power bank. So like this, viewers, you have to use properly your power bank, because you have seen that it was first not charging because it was off, but its charge is full, so it is now charging. Now I'm going to show you how you can fix a power bank which is not charging your smartphone. So I will remove this one. So to remove this, what you have to do is firstly power off power bank by pressing down and holding the power button. You can see that the power bank is now going to be off. You can see it is now off. So now I will remove data cable. Now what I will do is remove this cable from here and connect it with this power bank port. So viewers, now I will connect the smartphone again with the power bank. But first of all, the rules are rules. I said you that first of all you have to check the charging of the power bank by pressing the power button. You can see this is the power button. You can see its charging is very low. Okay, this power bank charge is very low. So now if I connect it with my smartphone,
so viewers, you can see that the data cable has been connected properly, but it's not charging my smartphone.
you can see it's not charging. Okay, so what's the reason behind this? Okay, as you can see, as I connect it, you can see it's not charging it. Okay, so the reason behind it is that its battery charging is very low, okay, of this power bank. So in order to fix this, what you have to do is take out the wire, and then what you have to do is bring the charger, okay, and connect it with this power bank. So viewers, what I will do is connect the wire with my this power bank. So first of all you have to remove this data cable, and then what you have to do is connect this wire with your power bank. Okay, you can see this is a
micro USB.
We can see this is the correct position. And then what you have to do is plug in the charger in the socket. Now viewers, you can see it has been charging my power bank. So when it will get up to 2 or 3 dots of light, so then it has a charge inside it. Now it does not has any charge. Okay, so I will connect when it will get full or I will connect it when it will get 2 or 3 or 4 line of these small dots. So viewers, then I will charge my smartphone with this power bank, and you will see that it will start charging my smartphone. So viewers, now I have charged my power bank, and you can see as I press down the power button, its charging is now about more enough. Firstly it was having no charge, now its 3 lights are on, so this means that it has charged. So now what I will do is connect the data cable with it and plug in charging my phone. And as I connected it with my smartphone, you can see my smartphone has now started charging. So viewers, like this you can fix your power bank not charging your smartphone or mobile or phone. So viewers, hope so you liked my video. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel Get Information and Knowledge, and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get a notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.